Today we're making one of the most excessively consumed, ultra-delicious snacks on the planet, crispy squid, as well as a little spicy mayo for your easy enjoyment. We start with 450 grams or 1 pound, easy to find store-bought squid, which should be nice and cleaned up for us lazy people. But still, give it a little inspection and remove any cartilage or strange looking stuff. Cut the squid into whichever shape you like. I prefer strips like these. Most conveniently packaged squid nowadays are already tender enough. We're going to use an age-old pulp trick for ensuring tender squid anyway. I use kiwi pulp, but you can use pineapple or papaya, whichever you have. They all contain natural tenderizing enzymes, which does the job for us. Marinate the squid in 100 grams or half a cup of pulp of your choice for 20 minutes. Once done, wash the pulp off with water, then soak it in milk while we prepare a dipping sauce. Into a blender goes a whole egg. If you're pregnant, unwell, recently switched sides, or all of the above, then simply boil the egg for 4 minutes, purely to avoid unfortunate and untimely absence of consciousness in immune-suppressed individuals. Otherwise, just use mayo if you're otherwise healthy but lazy. In goes 20 grams or 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 3 grams or half a teaspoon of salt, 3 grams or half a teaspoon of sugar, zest from 1 lime, 25 grams or 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 red chilli or as spicy as you like, chopped, seeds and all, or removed if you're a little bit gentle. Give it a blend to force a friendship, and slowly introduce 1.5 cups or 300 grams of neutral oil to ensure it emulsifies against its will. You now have a delicious dipping sauce for many things in life. Once the sauce is done, we heat a wok, pot or deep pan 1/3 filled with cooking oil. While you heat that up to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit, we deal with the coating. Into a bowl goes 200 grams or 1.5 cups of flour, 120 grams or 1 cup potato starch or cornstarch, 2 grams or a pinch of baking powder, 15 grams or 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, sweet paprika or hot paprika, 3 grams or half a teaspoon of salt, then give it all a mix to combine. Remove the squid from the milk, then coat it extremely generously in the flour mix and set it over a wire rack. Do it in small batches to avoid a sticky mess from forming. Fry the squid, making sure to carefully place it into the oil away from yourself, mainly to avoid burns and other uncomfortable situations. Avoiding problems are easier than dealing with them. Once the squid is looking slightly browned and crispy, drain on a paper towel and repeat with the rest. Most importantly though, go live a happy life.